Okay, this is part 3, vocabulary. Identify the choice that best answers the question. What is the meaning of suboptimal? Base your answer on your knowledge of the Latin prefix sub and the definition of the word optimal, which means most favorable or ideal. A, less than ideal. B, more than ideal. C, used to be ideal. Or D, soon to be ideal. Number 13, using your knowledge of the base word continue, what can you most logically conclude about the meaning of the word discontinuous? A, it has to do with how constant something is. B, it has to do with what something sounds like. C, it has to do with what images are produced. Or D, it has to do with the size of something. Number 14, what is the meaning of the word vacant in the following sentence? Use context clues to help you choose the correct definition. We were all packed. However, the previous tenants had not yet moved, so we had to wait until the house was vacant before moving in. A, empty. B, complete. C, rejected. Or D, occupied. Read the paragraph from a memoir, then answer the question. One of my favorite things to do on a rainy day is to read graphic novels. The drawings take me to another world where anything is possible. Sometimes that includes people with strange powers, and sometimes it involves ordinary people who have amazing lives. One recent graphic novel I read told the story of how one soldier's actions caused the British to win the American Revolutionary War. The story extends to today, presenting a modern world in which the British Empire, now based in North America, is still the world's greatest power. Although the novel is fantasy, some of the conflicts it presents are topical. For example, in the novel, the British Navy starts to run out of fuel, and leaders must decide whether to turn to renewable energy sources. So 15, the following question has 2 parts. Part A, then Part B. Which of the following is the meaning of the suffix ICAL? A, against. B, opposite of. C, action or process. Or D, having to do with. Part B. The word topical is formed from the base word topic, meaning subject of discussion or thought. Given the answer to Part A, what can you conclude is the meaning of topical in the passage? A, against the typical view of a subject being discussed. B, opposed to the discussion of certain subjects. C, having to do with subjects currently being discussed. Or D, influencing which subjects are currently being discussed. Again, remember the definition of ICAL when answering this question. Number 16, the multiple meaning word extends is underlined in the paragraph. Which of the following definitions of the word is the likeliest meaning in the paragraph? So if you need to, go back to the story up here. It says the story extends to today, presenting a modern world in which the British Empire, now based in North America, is still the world's greatest power. Does extends mean A, causes to be stretched or straightened? B, increases or becomes longer? C, makes an offer of? Or D, continues over a specified time? Number 17, the word graphic has multiple meanings. Which of the following is the most likely meaning of the word graphic as it is used in the paragraph? If you need to, go back to the paragraph and read the sentence with it underlined, graphic underlined. A, described in great detail. B, in the form of a graph. C, created using pictures. Or D, a picture or graph. Okay, that concludes part 3. We'll start part 4 in a minute.